Is your home getting boring, dull, or monotonous? Check out some amazing new gadgets that can add a bit of flair to your home or office. And trust me, you'll want to buy some of these immediately. The future is now. Morus Zero. Morus uses a patented technology that utilizes a vacuum system to remove water and moisture from your clothes. This helps water evaporate much faster than it would in a normal dryer, meaning you can have dry clothes in a fraction of the time it would take with a standard dryer. Morus Zero is a device that aims to reinvent the way you dry your clothes. This is a desktop dryer that can be placed almost anywhere in your home. It attaches to a standard wall outlet and makes clothes drying far faster and more effective than a traditional dryer. This dryer also will disinfect your clothes. Drying times can be lowered to just 15 minutes, saving you energy and valuable time in your day. This reduced drying time equates to a massive improvement in energy cost, lowering energy consumption as much as 40%. In addition to this, the lower drying time and lower temperature ensures that your clothes will last far longer than they would in a standard dryer. PICO. PICO is a very tiny planter and light setup that can be taken anywhere and will power your plants day or night. Its built-in LED lights are proven to be the only light source most indoor plants require, making for healthy plant growth in any room of your home. PICO is a new garden setup that hopes to bring indoor gardening into the modern world. This product will allow you to grow healthy plants virtually anywhere in your home without the need for expensive grow lights or powerful indoor equipment. A single PICO costs just $29 on Kickstarter and should be shipping right now. AROMEO. This amazing new device can enhance your day-to-day life, bringing peace and calmness into your home. The AROMEO Sense is a brand new type of side table lamp that will blend in perfectly for any bedroom or office. This lamp is able to adjust your lighting throughout the day, giving you the perfect amount of light to suit your daily needs. You can change the color and intensity of the light, the frequency, or even change the brightness to best suit your needs. There's also a built-in aroma diffuser so you can add your favorite essential oils and have them released into the air all throughout the day. You can schedule sessions of light and aroma to help you wake up in the morning, stay alert throughout the day, and sleep peacefully at night. The included smartphone app will also let you play music through the AROMEO Sense so that you can use it as a Bluetooth speaker. There are loads of free songs built into the app, so you can dial in the perfect tone to fit your mood. Xiaomi Mi Air Charge. This product is still in development, but the team behind the Xiaomi Mi Air Charge hope to bring this new technology to the market very soon. The device uses an array of 144 antennas to instantly transmit power to your devices. In the future, Xiaomi hopes that this technology will be able to transmit power through other objects as well, such as a couch, a chair, or even a wall. We don't know how many devices can be charged at a time, but Xiaomi says that the system offers wireless charging for up to 5 watts per device, so almost any smartphone can be charged with ease. Just think about it, you may be able to walk into a room and all of your devices instantly begin charging. This may sound like the work of a science fiction novel, but it's reality. The Mi Air Charge has developed a brand new technology that will allow you to place the hub in any room of your home so that your smartphone or tablet will automatically charge as soon as you enter the room. You'll no longer need cables or other expensive wireless chargers. Instead, you just need one device that will be able to charge any device in the room effortlessly. Smart Accordion Lamp. This amazing accordion-style lamp gives you the perfect ambient lighting for any room in your home or office. You can transform it into any shape you want, giving you the perfect product that doesn't only illuminate but also interacts with you. This lamp is designed with pleated paper that is made from Tyvek, so you never have to worry about it ripping or breaking down over time. This highly durable paper lets you change the lamp into almost any shape you want. The LED light inside the lamp also has a rechargeable battery built into the wood, so you won't have any exposed wires or bulbs. There's also hidden magnets inside the boards that allow them to attach to one another without using clips or any other replaceable parts. You can snap the wood planks onto one another or bend the light into a variety of shapes. The choice is yours. You can switch between warm and cool lighting options and use the lamp for up to 10 hours at a time. When you're done, the lamp only takes about 4 hours to charge before it's ready to use once more. Nixie Time Zone. Nixie tubes were created back in the 1960s using gas tubes to display numbers or letters that can tell time or deliver messages. The Nixie Time Zone is a brand new device that was created using this retro technology. These tubes are almost impossible to find these days, yet the creators of this amazing clock managed to find enough tubes to release a 100-piece limited run of these incredible clocks. Each bulb has a lifespan of about 20 years, and the clock is built out of top-of-the-line materials that are used to manufacture most Swiss-branded wristwatches. The all-metal design ensures that this clock is built to last for many years and will not break down anytime soon. Several time zones are built into the clock, allowing you to switch between them just by spinning the end of the clock. You can buy this Nixie Time Zone clock in 3 colors, including gray, dark gray, and blue. LAYWU Curtain. So far, we have smart lights, smart watches, smartphones, and dozens of other smart devices that can be placed around our home. So why not smart curtains? LAYWU Tech has invented a new technology that can attach to any existing curtain system, allowing you to control your curtains with a smartphone app or your favorite virtual assistant. This tool will let you open and close your curtains without lifting a finger, making your daily life just a little bit easier. The module can be installed very easily and only takes a few minutes. There are no difficult instructions and no need to call a professional. Just mount the system, hook it up, and pair it to your favorite smart device. You'll instantly be able to open or close your curtains no matter where you are in the world. Tesvor T8. Robot vacuums have become increasingly popular recently, but the Tesvor T8 is one of the best vacuums on the market. Much like a Roomba, this vacuum will suck up all the dust and debris that gathers on your floors throughout the day, so you never have to worry about cleaning or vacuuming them on your own. You can set up a schedule so that the vacuum will begin cleaning at a certain time each day. But best of all, there's even a mopping attachment so the vacuum can mop your hard floors as well. Just swap out the interchangeable head mechanism and you're ready to go. This vacuum uses a high-tech camera system to intelligently map out your home and search for dirty areas of your floor. It creates a virtual map of your home in the Tesvor app, allowing you to track where the vacuum goes to better understand its cleaning habits. This ensures that every square inch of your home gets cleaned properly. NextErgo Smart Standing Desk. Sitting at a desk all day can be terrible for your spine and other bones or organs. This desk allows you to stand up while you work or sit down if your legs are tired. The decision is entirely up to you. This desk will automatically adjust to your specific height and weight so that you can maintain the best posture possible without having to worry about adjusting the desk manually. The included interface will also remind you when it's time to take a break, take a drink of water, or when you need to sit down or stand up for a while. The entire process is automated to keep you as healthy as possible.